Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the high water level error on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So first, if you got an error, what you guys want to do is simply grab the clean water or the dry water tank. It depends on where your issue is, but the first tank right here is the clean water, and let me quickly take it so you guys can actually see that there's some water inside. So there's a lot of water. Now let me put it like this. The water is almost to the maximum. You guys can see I can put my finger in the water, and if there's too much water, then simply we want to make sure that we remove it, or just make sure that we remove everything, and then we're gonna clean the washboard. So now on the second hand, here we have the dirty water, and you will easily recognize it because it says dirty water tank right here, and where the logo of the Xiaomi is, it says the clean water tank, but I'm not gonna show you guys because there's a lot of water there. So now let's put the dirty water back, and we're gonna pour the water out of the clean water tank to make sure that there's no such high amounts of water. Now I'm back after getting rid of the water, and as you guys can see, the entire tank is empty, but it also has some wet things. So what are we gonna do now is we want to grab the microfiber cloth or dry cloth, which is preferably better, and we're just gonna get rid of it. So we want to make sure that we clean it thoroughly now, and it also has to be on the inside. You don't really need to clean it, you can just wait for it to dry out, but if you want the faster process, then I would recommend you cleaning it. Now the microfiber cloth is not that wet, but now there's no water in the clean water tank, so we can easily put it back in. And as you guys can see, it is sitting pretty, and that's how you guys can easily fix the high water level error. So after drying it out, you can pull some water in it, and of course you can put it, but make sure that you do not exceed the max limit. This is very important. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.